Picture this. You're hosting a lively game night, the drinks are flowing, but your ice tray is empty, and the store-bought bag is a melted mess. Or maybe you're camping under the stars, craving a chilled soda, but there's no ice in sight. These are the moments where this Homezay Ice Maker Countertop shines, delivering 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 pounds daily. This portable, self-cleaning ice machine is your ticket to endless ice, whether at home, in the office, or on an RV adventure. In this review, we'll dive into why this countertop ice maker is a must-have for ice lovers, blending convenience, versatility, and style. Let's explore how it transforms your chilling game, solving your ice struggles. The problem this ice maker solves. Running out of ice is a party killer, and traditional ice trays are a hassle. Spilling water, taking forever to freeze, or picking up freezer odors. For campers, office workers, or home entertainers, the Ice Maker Countertop eliminates these frustrations. It produces fresh, bullet-shaped ice cubes in 2 sizes to suit any drink or need, all while being portable and easy to maintain. Say goodbye to last-minute ice runs or bulky freezer bags. This ice machine delivers convenience and quality right where you need it. Why the Ice Maker Countertop is a game-changer. The Ice Maker Countertop is a compact powerhouse that churns out 9 ice cubes in 6 to 8 minutes, with a daily capacity of 26 pounds. Its dual-size ice options, small for quick chilling drinks, large for whiskey or food preservation, make it incredibly versatile. The self-cleaning function ensures fresh-tasting ice with minimal effort, while the portable design with a carry handle fits seamlessly into kitchens, RVs, or offices. Quiet and user-friendly, this ice maker is built to elevate your daily life. Key features that set it apart. Lightning-fast ice production. Produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in 6 to 8 minutes, with a 26 pounds daily output to keep up with any gathering. 2 ice cube sizes. Choose small cubes for juice, coffee or tea, or large cubes for whiskey, cocktails, or food preservation. Effortless self-cleaning. Automatic cleaning cycle keeps ice fresh. Just remove the basket, add water, run the cycle, and drain over a sink. Portable and compact. Measures 9.3 W x 11.6 D x 11.4 H, with a carry handle for easy transport to campsites, offices, or events. Quiet and simple operation. Intuitive touch control panel and low noise performance ensure no disruptions in your kitchen or entertaining space. 3 must-know benefits. Endless ice supply. With 26 pounds of ice daily, you'll never run out, whether hosting a barbecue or chilling drinks for one. Customizable ice for every need. Dual-size cubes let you tailor ice to your drink or task, from quick chilling sodas to preserving food. Low-maintenance convenience. The self-cleaning feature saves time and ensures every cube tastes fresh, making upkeep a breeze. Perfect for who needs this ice maker? This Ice Maker Countertop is designed for home hosts. Perfect for parties, family dinners, or casual hangouts, ensuring a steady ice supply for dozens of drinks. Campers and RV enthusiasts. Its compact size and carry handle make it ideal for road trips, delivering fresh ice in remote locations. Office and small business owners. Great for break rooms or small cafes, providing employees or customers with chilled drinks on demand. Cocktail aficionados. Large cubes are perfect for whiskey or craft cocktails, while small cubes enhance everyday beverages. Busy families. The quick, quiet operation and easy maintenance fit seamlessly into hectic households needing reliable ice. Why bullet-shaped ice cubes matter. Bullet-shaped ice cubes are more than just a shape. They're a game-changer. Their unique design chills drinks faster than traditional cubes, with small cubes perfect for quick-cooling sodas or iced coffee, and large cubes ideal for slow-melting whiskey or food preservation. The Ice Maker Countertop lets you switch between sizes effortlessly, catering to every occasion. Whether you're sipping a craft cocktail or keeping seafood fresh, these cubes deliver versatility and quality that elevate your experience. Performance that impresses. With a 26 pounds daily output, this ice maker keeps up with even the busiest gatherings, producing 9 cubes every 6 to 8 minutes. This compact 9.3 x 11.6 x 11.4 frame fits anywhere, from kitchen counters to RV tables. The intuitive touch control panel makes operation a breeze, and the low-noise design ensures it won't interrupt your conversations or relaxation. It's built for speed, reliability, and ease, making it a standout ice maker market. Maintenance made simple. Nobody wants to spend hours cleaning appliances. The Ice Maker Countertop's self-cleaning function takes the hassle out of upkeep. Just remove the ice basket, add water, run the cleaning cycle, and drain over a sink. Done. This ensures every cube is fresh and free of buildup, saving you time and effort. The touch panel also alerts you when the ice basket is full or water is low, keeping things stress-free. The verdict: your ice-making hero. The Ice Maker Countertop is a compact, versatile, and user-friendly solution for anyone who loves chilled drinks or needs reliable ice on the go. Its rapid 6-minute ice production, dual-size cubes, and self-cleaning feature make it a standout. Whether you're a party host, camper, or office manager, this ice machine delivers convenience and quality at an unbeatable value. Don't let melted ice ruin your vibe. Upgrade to this portable powerhouse today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.